Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video I will be showing you how you can add extensions in your Altium Designer. So let's get straight into it. First of all, uh, where you can get those extensions is where you have your license. So if you go here to your user information, click on it, and you will see sign in, licenses, extension, and updates. So click here on extension and updates, and now we have been redirected right here where we find these extensions. Uh, yes, this is basically it. Now you can search for them also, but you need to be logged in. I'm not right now, but I have those extension on my designer. So this is how you get to the extensions. So this is how you get to your extension. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.